As per our last video, I come with a new type, is a image type game for shuffling the image in this game. So on a front like a welcome page, we have a three option which type of game you want to play, like a for a character, for an integer, and this is the image. So let's go with the image, because in our previous videos we are discussing about the character and the integer one. Let's go with the image. Once you click on an image and select the image one from the drop down, the game will start. The timer and the move counter will start once you move your first on a game. Okay, so I try to like move the like timer and the move counter was started. Okay, I only need to like a move and try to show you something like how it is working fine or not, or we have some any issue. So it is working fine for our acceptation. Okay, so this is like a logic is same for all three, like a type for a number, numeric, and the alphabet means character, and the images, the all the things, all the validation is working fine for the all three types. Okay, so let's go and discuss the code, how I achieve this. And okay, so let's go with like this is the first panel which is called, once we like run this code. Okay, in this we are creating one panel, and the frame is like a class level frame, instance frame. So it is accessible for complete all classes in accessible in complete classes in a design dashboard class means. Okay, so I try to create the select box select drop down box and add this in a frame. Once user is select any option like character, integer, and image, the action listener is come in a picture. It is like a AWT method. With the help of we call our reset the game, and the reset game we are also already discussed. Here we reset the things. Okay, in the important thing in this case we are using like type is the like for we use for like a condition which type of game the user want, and the check is here. If user want to play like a images game, then the image come, otherwise it is working as simple. This is working as previously said. Okay, here is the check which we used. Okay, this is the complete code, and I will upload this game code on a GitHub. If anyone is interested in this game or want code, so feel free to comment on my channel. Or okay, and share your email ID. I will share the code with you. Okay, or feel free to comment on my channel if you have anything like want to like which you want to like create by me on upload on this channel. Okay, feel free to like comment if you facing or anything difficulties in related to Java code. Please like and subscribe my channel, and also share if you like want and like my videos. Thank you guys.